No, that's why they choose here. Grace, Grace.
It's kind of hard. She's swimming. Yes, swim.
Good girl, Grace.
Don't drink it.
Yeah, it's not real drinkable, Grace.
Mine puked up or spit up.
Oh, that's all right. The salt water will make that happen. Let's go where we can go swim, Grace. Come on. Here we go. It's a little deeper here. Come on, Grace.
Don't drink it.
Come on, Grace.
Don't drink it. It doesn't taste like lake water.
Let me see your camera.
Back up. Jesus Christ. Oh, now they're together. I got her still.
So you should be good to go. I'll show you what I did later. I'll show you how I fixed it later. Come on, Grace.
Why did you put my butt back here?
No.
How do you get it to start?
Oh. Yes, that red button back there.
There she goes.
Come here, Gracie girl. Yay. Come on. Come on, Grace. You can come here. Yay! Come on, Grace. Let's go. Yay!
I dropped my camera.
Oh, shit. Girl, come. Grace, come here, baby. Come here, girl. Let's go. Come to mommy. Grace. Grace. Oh. What you doing over there? Come here. Come here. Grace. Yay! Good backup. Good girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come to mommy. Gracie girl. Oh, that's so good for you. Oh, good girl. Come here. Gracie. Grace, come on. Come to mommy. Yay! Grace, come swim to me. Grace. Come here, girl. Let's go. Good girl, Gracie. Let's go. This way. No, we're not going back. Come on, we're gonna swim one more time. Let's go, girl. Come on, Grace. Yay, Gracie! Well, you know, for now, it probably is, but...
I'm never going to buy one again. It's underwater. Wet.
Well, that's good news. That's good news.
Nothing else is working.
Well, it's not going to. Let it dry out.
I think it's dead.
It might be.
Well, I'm never buying
Why? Because you were dumb enough to drop it?
Yeah, I'll be dumb enough to drop it again. They're not this cheap.
No.